I was moving from my home, so I saw the sports injuries at the banner with the Dr. Jawad. So I met with him. I consulted with him. So he has told me to do the MRI. So I have done the MRI. I met with a very big bad accident. I got the multiple fractures, my jaw broken, pelvic bone broken, scapula broken. But doctor said me like if he's having the good willpower, so he can do it. And so I decided to make something different with others at the time of the bed rest. I thought to start as soon as possible and take my good diet and everything, because I'm into fitness from last 18 years. So I thought I have to show to everyone, and I didn't go for the demotivation. So after 3 months, my treatment was continued with the Dr. Jawad. In South, I can say he is the best orthopedic doctor, because coming to my injuries, multiple fractures, injuries, like he very easily with a friendly, he has done the treatment to me. So I took the injection as soon as possible in a week. I can't imagine, I was very happy and confused also, I stand on my leg, and I was walking without stick. And after the second injection and third injection, again I started to drive at the road. I started driving at the bike, and I visited the doctor. I told to the doctor. He asked me how you came with the ambulance, but I told no, I came ride with my bike only. So doctor also was happy again. So in 4th month, I started my gym. $80, 70% I have healed up, and I have started the hard workout again. So a very big thanks to again Dr. Jawad and his team, Germanten Hospital, who has very good coordinated with me and helped me with everything in the treatment and with everything.
Promising mobility. Germanten, Germanten, Germanten.